Konnichiwa, go on. Because the guys in here, Jamaican content creator. Welcome back to my channel, YouTube. It's been a minute since I've done a video like this. Just relax to talk, and I can talk what I want to talk about. I don't even care, really, because it is what it is. I know people always tend to miss the point these days, especially on social media, when they're talking about Japan or talking about Palestine or any of those countries. People miss the point. If you don't state something explicitly for people, it's like it goes over their head. Critical thinking is at its all-time lowest, right? If I say, hey, I like sushi, what about ramen? What about udon? What about natto? No, I'm just telling you I like sushi. I didn't say anything about anything else. Why are you guys trying to make something it's not? And so everything gets convoluted and taken out, and people do think pieces about things that don't need think pieces because about engagement and interaction and impressions, and we lose the essence of what the internet is about. So we're talking shit about people. Some tweets and all that, you know what I mean? It's no X, but I mean, it's always with Twitter, regardless of what you might say. No amount of rebranding. Maybe when all of the millennials and the other people died, then maybe it will become X, but it's still Twitter to most of us. It's weird. Like the year 2024 got off to a really, really crazy start, and because of that crazy start, in Japan especially, there was an earthquake on January 1, which I felt, but I didn't feel it as much as a person in Ishikawa. Then after that, we had like a fire in Fukuoka, in the prefecture down there. The second, we had like the airplane incident where people had to be evacuated off a plane. Japan Airlines, I mean, of course, it's so Japanese that one of the planes did not have the newest technology. You know, something that sometimes Japan doesn't move in with the times, that, but we're not blaming anybody. Just glad that most people are alive from that. And then this woman decided that, hey, you know, let me just go on the train because I feel like I need to stab somebody. Yeah, I felt like I want to kill people. These are the things that these people are thinking sometimes in Japan, and they bottle up stuff and internalize a lot of things, and they don't have an avenue or a medium to which express healthily, you know, their issues. And it is crazy because the buzzword last year was mental health through the pandemic, mental health. But were we really looking at what it meant to have mental health? And I've been here for 10 years. Why am I still here? Why am I still here? Why am I still here? I don't know, because apparently a lot of the other options aren't much better. And to be honest, I mean, Japan is a safe place for me in terms of me being a black man. I won't get shot by the police. I'll get harassed by them sometimes. I haven't been in a minute. But it's generally a safer place for me as a black man. And that's fine, you know. And I guess people keep missing the point. I'm not saying that I hate Japan. There's some things about Japan that I just don't get. And it's a cultural thing. And even after 10 years, there's some things that just don't make sense generally. But apparently, it's a society that has been existed for how many million years or whatever. Whatever. All right. So please, I hope you guys can put on your thinking caps and critical thinking and look at things holistically and not only hear and see what you want to hear. All right, 2024 is the year of enlightenment. Open your bloody eyes, man. Expose yourself. Read some more. Get some culture. You know what I mean? Stop culture jacking and appropriating and learn about the culture and appreciate it and allowing people of the culture to express themselves. You know what I mean? Yeah. Also, so this year for me, my goals this year: make some more music, put out the music, promote it, market it properly, make more consistent YouTube videos, more stuff like this. Also, get my JLPT certification somehow to show that I have some level of Japanese. So, kotoshi no, whatever. You know what I mean? We're about making and hitting our goals this year and hitting our targets. That's what we're about. And hopefully you guys will come along on the journey. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the comments, like button, whatever, share, all them something there. Because y'all been sleeping on me, bro. I've been at 10,000 subs for a minute. We need this shit to fly. Come on, let's go. Hope you have a wonderful year. Let's go. Let's make it. Let's show out the year. Let's gambaro. Let's, you know, hey, look out for me. All right, peace. Look for me. Because guys, content creator, we outside. It's death. Ooh.